Keep going friends. Today is the lecture number 54 and this is very important. If you are just thinking about your career, then you must come here and you must collect the words. You have to study a lot to get success. Hi friends, today is the special day. Today is the words of the day 54 and this is civil engineering part 2 GATE 2018. So what they have asked, his face dashed with joy when the solution of the puzzle was dashed to him. First one is shown. So what is the meaning of SHONE, shown? Shown means that is the past of sign. Sign, that is the second form of sign is called to shown, and SHOWN, shown means point out something. Okay, I want to show you something. Okay, that is the also third form. Okay, so now his face means that if you are just talking about face, okay, so definitely you will use this one, shown, because sign past form is shown. Okay, his face shown with joy. Face will be shown with joy when the solution of the puzzle was shown to him. When you show to him the puzzle, then after then the student he got the sign. Okay, this is the past tense, so here he has taken the shown. Okay, so this is the correct answer, shown and shown. Okay, now the second one, and today we have taken not English. Today we have taken this mathematics question. It has also come in GATE. Same question, it has also come also in other branches, but I have specified here civil engineering, and it has also come in mathematics and other branches. Okay, so this a plus multiplied by n times, this is n times, okay, addition, this is n times, and this a plus, okay, and this is m times. Okay, if you add n times to this, then after then you will get this one, n into a. Okay, you will get n into a, you add n times, a plus a, you common a, then after then you got 1 plus up to shown 1. How many times you add it? N times 1 plus n. It means you will get na is equal to a square b. Now same thing also here, b you times add m times, then after then b into m is equal to a b square. This is the second answer. Okay, and now if you will cut it, then after then you will get this one, n is equal to ab, and if you will cut it, then you will get m is equal to ab. So n is equal to ab, m is equal to ab. Now you have to find the solution of this. M plus m times n times, and n plus n, m times. So what is the meaning of m? M means ab. You are adding ab plus ab up to shown m times. N times means ab times. Okay, and similarly n means ab plus ab up to shown ab. How many times? M times. M is equal to ab. So you have to add ab times. It means that ab into ab. Okay, and this is also you have to add ab into ab times. So it will be a ki power 4 b ki power 4. So the correct answer is this. Okay, thank you so much.